Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Henrietta Newbin, and thank you for stopping by. So I love doing my clean with me Monday through Friday, and this is just to keep some extreme accountability, and hopefully it'll help you to get up and do the same for your home. And today was really one of those, let me kind of deep clean as I surface clean. I think that's one of my favorite things, surface cleaning. I am not yet at the organization part, but I will get there. I was in a great spirit because I was looking good, I was feeling good, I was extremely motivated, and I just want to share that same energy with you guys. I had to take a break because I was like, oh shoot, I need to take my vitamins. And I'm debating, do I really want to take these vitamins? But I did it. I just had to work myself up and take those. The other two are for my little girls. We take daily vitamins, multivitamins for our health and protection because we are still out in the public, interacting with people. So I'm in the kitchen just getting some cleaning done. I decided to do the microwave and the fridge. I haven't done that in weeks. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if you love more of these motivation videos, please subscribe so you will never miss another video.
So pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my feels, spend too much time thinking. In the end, you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Damn, that took a little time. Catching up, I mean, what if there's no meaning? No, my heart is slowly bleeding. You said we still got today. Trust me that right now is all that matters. No, nothing lasts forever. Is this just a winter stage? I'm so bitch.
Let me know if you guys are enjoying the video so far. I had to do very little in the living room today. This is also the man cave. We're barely in here. And the coat rack needed to be decluttered. So all these shoes do not belong here, but eventually it's like piled up throughout the week. And I do take the time to Lysol the shoes, or I do wash them and let them air dry. Now I'll be mopping the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room.
Trust me that right now is all that matters. No, nothing lasts forever. Is this just a winter's itch? Down so bitch.
I think the major things in the house for me is the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. But I do think it's also important that I do my daily task, which is making up my bed so it could be very welcoming when I get home and want to go to sleep. And then also do some daily laundry and also do some mopping. I think my consistency is also building because I barely showed you guys my office. And for that part of accountability, I'm like, let me put this on video, touching up my office because it looked like it's about to fall apart. So it was a few things because I was still like decluttering the office. And I've been avoiding using my vacuum cleaner, and I just finally decided that it needed a deep clean today, so I did that. I'm also on the phone just having a good time talking to my husband. It's like in the morning we just have so much to say, and it just helps with the time go by while I'm working around the house. I didn't include this in the video, but I am preparing for groceries for the next day. And so I was trying to organize my pantry so I can make more room for the food that was coming. The idea of my grocery list this week was really like a keto diet lifestyle, and it's going really well. I'm so excited about that. But I have to keep the snacks for the family and also cook too. That wasn't a video either, but I made some shrimp sausages, bell peppers and onions with some cauliflower and carrots, the like mixed California blend. It was really good. I cooked 2 meals. Let me tell you, I was very optimistic. And when I made that meal for me, but I was also preparing to make some chicken and rice. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.